You read the title, so you know what it is. Let's get into it. Alright guys, as y'all know, and the ones that have been following, this is John's Corvette. It's a 2005 C6. We've done a BTR cam, A&A supercharger, Cook's headers, done the works to this car. So today we're going to be moving this thing onto the dyno, getting this tune squared away, and see what numbers this thing can put down. So let's get into it. Guys, just a little bit of a disclaimer. Basically, I got the startup tune in the car, got the car started and idling, running, but I don't trust myself enough to do the final tune on this thing, so we have somebody that's going to remote in and actually do the tune on it. But I did get it idling started and pulled over here on the dyno with my tune. So, but with that being said, I'm going to get this new tune put in here, get an idle log sent over to the guy, and start tuning this thing. See y'all in a little bit. So we did a little 5K pull. Not too bad. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a third gear wide open throttle pull, see what our final number is here. We've already done one, so it should be about the same, but let's get to it. Oh, I don't like that angle. got a good clean pull. Let's see what these numbers are. I think there's still some timing left in here that we can get out of it, but this is what we got for now. So 538, 523. It's good power all the way up through, so it's looking good. I guess me and Goffinet are here, are gonna go take it out on the street and see how it drives. See y'all in a minute. All right, so I messed up and opened the wrong file on the actual dyno pull. We actually got 560, 535, and yeah, so. All right, guys, so we got the car off the dyno. The sun's kind of bright, sitting out here. Mr. Goffinet's here with us, and we're gonna go take it for this first drive, see how it drives on the street. So, you ready?
Ready.
All right, so I'm probably gonna log, get some drive time log as well while we drive, and just see how she goes, so, yeah. All right, so we done a little bit of a park throttle, kind of eased into it, and it broke loose, so. Data's looking good, everything's looking clean, car's running good, so it definitely puts you back in the seat and still got power there, so definitely driving really nice.
I wasn't to the floor either.
Yeah, and he's not even going full throttle yet, so I can only imagine how much this thing wants to break loose.
Get a little bit of a takeoff here.
Yeah, let's see what we got from a stop.
Sounds good.
Oh yeah.
85.
Oh my god. That was just 85? Oh my god. Yeah, those tires, like, even with the traction control on, it's trying.
Yeah,
it's trying.
It wants to break.
Oh my god. All right, guys, we're back from the drive. Car's running good. Goffinet's off. So, until next time.